I am the troll, dressed in moss and in bark. I trample heavy through the forest so dark. I smell Christian blood from a long mile away. And in the blue mountain you will be my prey. But beware of the sun when the dawn draws near. Then I turn into stone, ending my fairy tale here. I am Nøkken, in ponds very deep, where lilies will float and the long hours creep. I lie and I wait with my eyes glowing red for children who dare get out of their bed. In Jenna and Kilsfjord in my face you can see. Come down to the water, I'm waiting for thee. I'm Theodor Kittelsen, pencil in hand. I gave form to the scary in this fairy land. From Craiger's streets, as burning dreams grew, I drew all the hidden and made the troll true. With joy of creation and courage to boot, I found all the magic at nature's own root. I drew the troll, saw Nøkken, heard the Huldra.
I am Huldra, blue flowers in hair, fair as the day, roaming mountains up there.
But look at my back, see the cowtail I hide. I lure you deep into the dark mountainside.
I dance on the heat in the fog and the mist, a dangerous beauty with nature's own twist.
I am Pesta, a frightening creature in black. I wander the roadway and leave a dark track. If I carry the rake, you will live and be well. But if I bring the broom, then I ring your death bell. In Taylor Steps bottom, I left my dark trace, an old crone spreading fear in this place. I'm Theodor Kittelsen, pencil in hand. I gave form to the scary in this fairy land. From Craiger's streets, as burning dreams grew, I drew all the hidden and made the troll true. With joy of creation and courage to boot, I found all the magic at nature's own root. I smelled Pesta, tasted Draugen, and felt the Vardøger. I am Draugen, the dark ocean guest. In a half-boat I'm seeking the storm on my quest. Headless and wet-dressed and kelp-like a stranger, I scream at the wind as a warning of danger.
When the sea is boiling by Jomfruland's shore, you'll hear the loud howl from my dead chest once more.
I am the Vardøger, sound before tread, a breath on your neck and a warning of dread. You hear me arriving, you hear my footfall, but open the door, there is no one that's dark. I am your shadow that's running ahead, a mystery guessed by the living and dead. I am Theodor, and Craigo was my start. I gave myths a true face, and the darkness a chart. I drew the troll, the Nøkken, heard Huldra, smelled Pesta, tasted Draugen, and felt the Vardøger. Do you have eyes that see? Is your sixth sense intact? Then you might see us in each tracked. Was that the Vardøger?